Before products earned trust, before quality became a global standard, before precision defined modern manufacturing, there was inspection. Every machine can produce, but not every product deserves to leave the factory. Between production and perfection stands one final examination. Inspection coats were never created for fashion. They were created because accuracy demands discipline. Because quality begins long before a product reaches the customer. An inspection coat is engineered to support precision. It protects both the wearer and the work itself. Every seam, every pocket, every closure, every fiber exists with intention. Together they create an environment where consistency becomes possible. The science begins with cleanliness. Modern inspection coats are made from lightweight, durable fabrics that minimize lint, resist wear, and remain comfortable throughout long working hours. Many incorporate anti-static fibers that reduce electrostatic discharge, protecting delicate electronic components and sensitive manufacturing processes. Smooth fabric surfaces reduce particle shedding. Secure closures prevent loose materials from interfering with inspection tasks. Functional pockets organize essential tools, measuring devices, and documentation without restricting movement. Every design choice supports efficiency. Because distractions create mistakes. Historically, inspection coats evolved from the protective dust coats worn by factory supervisors and technicians during the rapid industrial expansion of the 19th and 20th centuries. As manufacturing became more sophisticated, so did expectations. Precision replaced approximation. Measurement replaced assumption. Quality control became an industry of its own. Factories producing automobiles, electronics, pharmaceuticals, aerospace components, and medical equipment required specialized clothing that reflected cleanliness, professionalism, and accountability. Modern inspection coats are now found in laboratories, clean manufacturing facilities, electronics assembly lines, pharmaceutical plants, food processing centers, and countless quality assurance departments around the world. Some environments demand anti-static protection. Others require contamination control. Some prioritize durability. Others prioritize mobility. Every workplace shapes its own solution. Psychologically, professional clothing changes behavior. It encourages focus, promotes responsibility, and reminds the wearer that every decision carries consequences. Inspection is not simply about finding defects. It is about preventing failure. One overlooked imperfection can affect an entire production run. One unnoticed flaw can compromise safety. One careful inspection can protect thousands of people. Across industries, inspection coats have become a quiet symbol of trust. They represent patience over speed, accuracy over assumption, consistency over chance. Modern workwear continues to evolve. Advanced textiles improve comfort. Antimicrobial finishes support hygiene. Recycled fibers reduce environmental impact. Smart fabrics may one day monitor contamination, environmental conditions, and worker activity in real time. Yet beneath every innovation, the purpose remains unchanged. Protect the process. Protect the product. Protect the standard. Inspection coats quietly represent one of industry's greatest principles. Excellence is never accidental. It is inspected. Every stitch reflects responsibility. Every pocket reflects preparation. Every improvement reflects humanity's pursuit of perfection. The greatest achievements are often invisible, because when quality control succeeds, the only thing people notice is that everything simply works.